Hello everyone, today we are going to draw and color a llama. So we start with its sketch, make a curved line like this and make it this way here. And then over here, make the line this way, joining on this side of the page, and make a wavy line here and another wavy line here, this way. And another one. Now here in between the two wavy lines we have a little bit of space. Now here make a circle for the eyes this way. Make alphabet C and then make alphabet C from the other side and you have a circle this way. Next make another circle inside the eye for the eyeball this way, and we make its highlight here and over here. And here as well. Similarly, we will do it for the other eye as well. A curved line over here like this and draw an upside down U this way for its nose, and draw its mouth as well over here this way. Add line on its nose, and then we have these lines for the teeth and make a curve like this. Make its ears, make a line like this again. Notice that we have less space at the bottom and more space at the top like this. Okay. Similarly, we make another one inside it here, and we make a similar ear on the other side facing in a different direction, of course. Add question marks in the background here. Question marks don't necessarily need to be straight, they can be diagonal and upside down as well. As you can see over here, I have added already this way. And now we'll add the eyelashes over here this way. And that's it, we are done with the sketch. Now using an eraser, lighten up the pencil lines, and then we will use colorful sketch pens or colorful markers to outline this picture. For outlining the llama, we will use an orange sketch pen and outline it this way. The eyes, we'll use a black marker and outline the inner portions and the outer portions of the eye. You can use a sketch pen or a gel pen as well. Here I'm using a sketch pen for outlining these areas. Again, using an orange marker, you outline this thing, and take a black pen to outline the teeth and the line on the nose. Use a pink sketch pen for making the question marks here. Using the pink sketch pen, you also make this line over here. Then we will take a dark blue sketch pen and make this wavy line here. And then we'll take a light blue sketch pen and we will make this wavy line over here. Using a black marker, you make the eyelashes, and then you take the black marker and color in the eye as well. Once you're done with this portion, we will use oil pastels for coloring it. We will use oil pastels for the coloring portion and use earbuds for blending the color as well. So I take yellow color and I start applying it over here. Once you're done with the outlining, take yellow oil pastel and color the llama with it. When you're coloring with oil pastels, make sure that you do not go outside the lines. And also it is okay to leave spaces in between because you will be getting a lot of texture when you are coloring with oil pastels. That is okay. We will use earbuds to blend it. As you can see, using earbud, I am blending everything. And you will notice that all the white spaces, they just go away. Make sure that you're also applying enough oil pastel as well, because if there is enough wax on the paper, it will blend really very nicely with the earbuds. Earbuds give you precision and makes it easy to blend. Otherwise, you can also use tissues, but tissues, they are not very precise and it's very likely that you will spill the color outside the lines while blending it. We will use sky blue color for this portion over here. Remember, we used markers for making these lines. The color of the marker is the color that we will be adding here. Here we add sky blue color, and when you are blending this color, make sure you use a new earbud and do not use the one that we blended the yellow color with. Otherwise it will give you green and we do not want that. Always make sure that whenever you are blending a new color, you use a clean earbud. Next over here we use a darker blue color. It's not very dark, but it's slightly darker than the light blue. It's called cerulean blue. You can check that in your set in case it is named properly. And then we will again blend it with the same earbud. We can use the earbud that we use for blending the light blue color because these colors are of the same category and light blue color will not have any effect on this blue color. Over here, using the marker, I make lines like this, and then using pink oil pastel, I will color these up as well. Now again, use a fresh earbud to blend this portion as well. We apply orange color on the inside of the ears and we blend it using an earbud. Again, use a new earbud for this color as well. We apply this color on the nose and the mouth as well here. We take dark pink color and apply it on the background, and then we will use an earbud to blend it as well, as you can see over here. Be careful when you are coloring, do not color over the llama, and over here blend it nicely this way. You can see how beautifully the texture just goes away, and earbuds give us precision in the work so that we can go into the smaller areas and blend it nicely. This kind of precision is difficult to get with tissues. that's it. We are done with our picture.